Welcome everybody to my channel, to my video. Thank you so much for being on here. Now, today is really special, okay? It's been a month of pre-launch. Adil Chaudhry, he's the owner of Scribble. He launched it back in 2017, so that's been 5 years. The guy is a masterclass with marketing, okay? His page alone got like over 100K in fans, right? And he's coming out with something he's been building for 4 years. The guy didn't need to release any products because he has a really huge audience. He makes profits and revenues left, right, and center, and he's been building this to be beast. The marketing alone is just out of this world, okay? And it's coming tonight at 6 p.m. EST. So today, Monday, it'll be released at 6 p.m. There will be a bundle, but they're not giving us the link because it's like something very exclusive, and therefore we actually scheduled with them a webinar for tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we got a webinar on Tuesday the 7th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard. I'm gonna send you the registration link regards to that. Now, yeah, regards to my hair, yeah, I did get a haircut. I look like a baby. I don't know. But anyways, let's get into it. I'm gonna show you just the marketing alone. Like, oh my god, this guy spent over $300,000 just between development, marketing. It's just crazy. Uh, let's get into it. I'm about to show you the sales page, the demo video, and we'll dig into the information that we usually dig in, that my team and I prepare for all of you with the coupon codes and all the information. Okay, let's get into it. So here's the sales page. Oh my god, like this is wow. Okay, guys, but let's get into the demo video right here. Absolutely crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy. What a unique piece of software. So yeah, guys, the whole demo video is on the document I always prepare. Let me go back on the screen right here. Okay, so as you've seen, something crazy. Okay, you can create presentations, add effects, voiceovers, everything. It's just absolutely crazy. I'm gonna show you here a bit. Uh, Let me pause that. Let me show you right here in the presenter actual dashboard. Look at this. Okay, the VSL, X Factor, Halo 3D, holographic, Job Finder. Oh my God, this is sick ass. Okay, these are all the upgrades, but they've got a bundle offer, but they're not sharing with us any of the actual sales page. It's very exclusive, like I said in the beginning. Okay, but this is huge, guys. Bunch of templates. The whole 9 yards is in this. It's just crazy, and they keep loading it. Adil is known. If you know Scribble, you know what he's got right in here. Okay, it's just absolutely mind blowing. I'm gonna use this the whole year, actually. Sorry for that. And here's the sales page. Look at this. So you can create amazing presentations, videos, and ebooks in minutes. Okay, tells you all of it right in on the sales page. This is gonna be crazy, and what I'm gonna do is very special thing. Okay, the first at 6 p.m. they actually release it. There's at 4 p.m. there's like a live party on his actual page, and at 6 p.m. they release it. The first one to grab the first license, I'm gonna actually PayPal you $50. So the front end would be basically for free. because once you use this coupon right here, Iron Man, okay, you get a $50 off. You buy it for $50, I believe. Let me see the actual purchase button. Okay, 97 minus $50, 47. I'm gonna actually PayPal you the front end for the first buyer, the first one to actually buy Prezentar today. Okay, now we actually constructed, as usual, the whole document which shows you the front end link with the coupon code and the bundle link with the coupon code. The bundle is around $400 and $500. There's two options, and you get the $200 off. Okay, it's way smarter to get the bundle over grabbing the front end and all the upsells. And whoever gets the bundle as well is going to be PayPal $50. Whoever gets the first sale, whoever buys the first between all my customers. I've got over 15,000 customers, so you can imagine. Okay, the demo video that we were watching is right in here. You can watch it on your own time as well before it goes live. It tells you here what you can get with Prezentar. You can create amazing presentations, videos, ebooks in minutes, access 50 amazing templates, premium custom branding, super simple drag and drop editor, premium 5 plus Google fonts, 50 plus text and image effects. It's loaded, guys. It's just crazy. Okay, he got a team of support, like 10 people on support. Just as actual lunch team is around 12 people. That's aside from, so he got a huge team. The upgrade one would be 97, which is say $100. 47, that's 150. 77, you're talking about 220, 225, and then 325. And then 425. It's gonna cost you way more than buying the bundle. And then you got all the bonuses right in here, that my team actually constructed just for the Prezentar product. Okay, you get all these bonuses with the package. You have to email me at imdealoftheday@gmail.com to get your bonuses. If you don't actually email me, you're actually missing out. And you're thinking I'm the one not delivering them to you. Please do actually contact me at that email with a transaction ID, and I'm gonna send you the bonuses. We have a whole document prepared so you can actually download and access them very easily and super fast. Okay, again, that's the sales page. I mean, this design alone will cost like over 20 grand just to create this. I know for myself, like, my god. Anyways, let's get back to here. So yeah, it goes live at 6 p.m. Eastern, which is unusual. It's today, okay, Monday, 6th of June at 6 p.m. So it's like 666, okay? I don't know why he picked the devil sign, but I mean, it's a marketing aspect of it. On my YouTube channel, go watch the video because I shared this in the email, and actually comment on it, like, subscribe. I want you to be involved in my channel, and I appreciate you for being part of my journey. We're gonna grow together. I'm gonna always deliver to you the best products out there. You already see that I'm not like any other marketer in the industry, shooting emails for different offers every day. There's select things that I know that are working for me. What I'm using basically is what I'm recommending. There's select vendors that I recommend because I know their setup. They got like 10 plus on their team. They got a support system, they got branding, they got long-term. They've been around for 10 years. I don't promote any bullshit kind of stuff, and there's loads of them, like 99% of them, right? Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.